National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a flash flood warning for Peoria County, Tazewell County, Woodford County until 4:30 a.m. Thursday at 10:18 p.m. Slow-moving thunderstorms continue to produce very heavy rainfall across the warned area. Doppler rainfall estimates in this area range from 1.50 to 2.50 inches over the past several hours. Runoff from this excessive rainfall will cause flash flooding to occur. Some locations that will experience flooding include Eureka, Pekin, Peoria, Martinsville, Bellevue, Brenfield, Creve-Coeur, Deer Creek, Delavan, Dunlop, East Peoria, Elmwood, Germantown Hills, Glassford, Goodfield, Green Valley, Hannah City, Odell, Mackinac, Marquette Heights, Metamora, Minot, Morton, Roanoke, Rome, Seaport, South Pekin, Spring Bay, Tremont, and Trevoli. Trained weather spotters report flooding was occurring in Pekin with 1 to 2 feet of water on West Shore Drive just before 10 p.m.
Green Valley, Hannah City, Odell, Mackinac, Marquette Heights, Metamora, Minot, Morton, Roanoke, Rome, Seaport, South Pekin, Spring Bay, Tremont, and Trevoli. Trained weather spotters reported flooding was occurring in Pekin with 1 to 2 feet of water on West Shore Drive just before 10 p.m.